Hello and welcome to our ChurchPlus YouTube page. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to create subgroups. The subgroups feature allows you to create a parent group and then nest other groups within it. For example, let's put all the groups under the workforce group. To create a new parent group called workforce and add subgroups to it, please follow these steps. 1. Access the People menu and select Groups/Departments. 2. On the Groups page, click on the Add New Group button located in the top right corner. 3. Enter Workforce as the name of the new group and click on the Save button. Five. Click on the Workforce group to open it. 6. Click on the Subgroup button to reveal the hidden Add Subgroup button. 7. Once the Add Subgroup button is visible, click on it. A new modal will be shown. 8. Select all the child groups you want to add and make sure to exclude the Workforce group. 9. After selecting all child group, click on the blue Add Subgroup button. Once you are done, click on the blue Update button to save all your changes. Refresh the application and go back to the Groups page. On the main page, click the down arrow beside the Workforce group to view updates. Congratulations, now you have successfully created a subgroup. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your pastor friends and admins. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching and bye for now.